Hey y'all, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. Out here in the backyard, just got fire going in the fire pit, and figured I'd show you that a little bit. I got a couple other short videos here that I stitched together showing what's going on with this back fence. So I hope you enjoy it. Y'all take care. And I want to thank all my subscribers. Thank you for sticking with me. Well, there we go. We're getting the fence up. My neighbor George, he's working on it right now, and it's coming along. Anyway, I'll show you more later. I'm gonna go have a beer. Hey y'all, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. Now this is what I have left of the old fence that I took down, and we are going to be using this wood here. I'm gonna recondition it and everything, and just wanted to kind of show you what it's looking like after Doogie, my brother-in-law John, and I have been sitting here cleaning up the wood here a little bit. This is what I'm gonna make the make a double gate up here to close off the this little alleyway. And this is what the wood looks like. It's sitting out here after we stained it and burned it a little bit. And once it dries, gets weathered a little bit, it'll even brighten up and look a little bit better. But compared to what it started as, I don't think it looks too bad. I think it's looking pretty good. It's a little bit darker than what I thought it would be, but it should lighten up when the sun hits it and everything and it dries out. So we'll see how it goes. But anyway, I think it's a huge improvement over what I started with right there. I mean, this stuff here is pretty friggin' rough, you know, and this is exactly the same stuff I'm using. I'm not cheating. This is what it looked like. We pulled it apart, pulled the nails out, put it through the planer, used a torch on it, burnt it a little bit, and yeah, so I'm going to use as much of this stuff as I can for the fence. Same with this stuff here too. This is even in worse shape, but it'll clean up nice. So anyway, just a little bit of an update to show you what can be done with even some old nasty looking wood. A lot of this wood, if it's thick enough and still in good enough shape, it can be cleaned up. All right, y'all take care. Once again, I want to thank all of you for subscribing and sticking with me. I really do appreciate it. The channel is growing. Thank you so much. These are just some of the things I need to do for the home. So thank you for sticking with me. You all have a good one.